We can. We love you.
Weekend Learning Resource Institute was conceptualized and started in September 2010. In one small room with 2 children and 1 educator. From 2 children to 15, and from Kiran Apartments to the Triangular Park Center, the small 500 square feet heaven, and then to the Hindustan Park Center. We shifted to the new address, Paligan Circular Road, in the year 2014, probably between July and August.
Hello everyone, we are celebrating the 11th anniversary of WeCan this year. This is the 7th year I'm working here and I'm truly indebted to everyone from the mentors to the teammates who have been very helpful to me. I love being a part of this team. Hope to provide the children with the best of services. All the best for WeCan.
Thanks to my mentor, Mrs. Meenakshi Atal, my fellow colleagues, my students, whose support has immense importance in my life. Happy Foundation Day WeCan.
I wish WeCan a very happy Foundation Day for a successful and great future ahead. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Ishita, and first of all, congratulations WeCan for completing 11 years. I have joined WeCan in 2014 and since there it has been a wonderful journey.
It is a very proud moment to be attached with WeCan. I have joined WeCan from 2012 as an occupational therapist.
Congratulations, WeCan, on this special occasion. The journey of 11 years has been wonderful, and I would really like to express my gratitude to Nina ma'am, Atal ma'am, and Dhruv sir for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this wonderful journey.
I, Amitava Mitra, joined the center in January 2013. This was a year of reformation, metamorphosis, and conceptualization of new ideas and thoughts, which started under my initiative and leadership. For the first time, I initiated the occupational therapy, physiotherapy, behavioral therapy. Sincerest gratitude to all my colleagues. Without their enlightened cooperation, this journey would not have been so memorable and successful.
It's been really wonderful to have WeCan support because every child is given individual attention through WeCan, and it is such an improvement on each child's confidence level to have this input from WeCan and the care and the love that we get from all the teachers of WeCan, the special educator, Meenakshi ma'am, Nina ma'am, and thank you so much WeCan for you. We can feel we can. Thank you so much.
WeCan and Mahadevi Birla World Academy go back at least 7 years. A team of very dedicated teachers are constantly mentoring our children. They mentor those children who are not independent learners, and of course, parental consent is a must. The entire process starts with the class teachers observing such children who are unable to partake of the teaching learning process independently. And once they have identified the students, I come into the picture along with the counselor and together we discuss the individual problems. We, of course, discuss it with the parents, and with parental consent, the weekend team intervenes.
I am Vinita, the founder of Iktara, an organization that WeCan has partnered with in November 2020. It was a very difficult time as the children came back with huge loss of learning. We worked together to create modified curriculums and remedials, and here we stand today after 6 months of our partnership having huge impact on these first generation learners. I thank every member of the team and hope that this partnership goes a long way ahead. Thank you.
मेरे को वीकेंड आना बहुत पसंद है। मैं यहाँ पे बचपन से मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ और मेरे को टीचर बहुत अच्छे से मेरे को वी लव वीकेंड।
I think Rushoti is one of the old student of weekend. তো রুশতি যখন প্রথম উইকেন্ডে আসে তখন রুশতি প্রচণ্ড ডিপ্রেশনে ভুগছে। ও কারোর সঙ্গে কথা বলতো না, কোনো কাজ করতো না, ইভেন মেডিসিন ওয়াজ নট ওয়ার্কিং। তো এরম একটা অবস্থায় ও উইকেন্ডের খোঁজ পায় এবং আমরা ওকে উইকেন্ডে নিয়ে আসি। কিন্তু এখানে আসার পর টিচার্সদের ওকে এত সুন্দরভাবে ওয়েলকাম করলো, টিচার্সদের ভালোবাসা, সাপোর্ট, মোরাল বুস্ট এবং সব কিছুতে অ্যাটেনশন, সব কিছু পেয়ে ও আস্তে আস্তে নিজেকে একটু ওপেন আপ করলো এবং এখন অনেকটাই ও ডিপ্রেশন কেটে গেছে। উইদাউট মেডিসিন ও এখন আছে এবং ন্যাচারালি ওর অ্যাকাডেমিক্সেও আস্তে আস্তে ইন্টারেস্ট বাড়লো। ও এখন NIOS 4টে সাবজেক্ট ক্লিয়ার হয়ে গেছে আর এখন শি ইজ নাও ভেরি হ্যাপি and she has lots of friends. And so thank you very much for everything to the whole team of weekend.
WeCan is deeply and positively impacting the lives of many kids. We are so proud of the amazing work they are doing. We hope they continue to aid, teach, and change the lives of these students.
All the best, WeCan team.